Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So these are all my dolls. Look guys. So this is Emily, Aurora, Chi, Emily, and whatever those are. And look, this is my favorite dolly. Look. And this is the clothes area. Yeah. And these are my dollies. Hopefully you subscribe and go my YouTube channel. And follow the YouTube subscribers. And yeah.